It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 17. This is tall and skinny. Okay, I'm going to go with a spool of thread. Spool of thread, spool of thread. How do we even open these? Oh, I was right. It's finally a spool of thread. Okay, but these are great. It's neutral in color. You're going to use it all the time. This is great for any time you're sewing. Just because it's neutral, it blends into the fabric. You can use this on the top, on the bottom, in your bobbin, whatever. But yeah, and it's Arfil, which is a fabulous thread.